हाँ, प्राइवेट इनकम आज हमारा टॉपिक है। प्राइवेट इनकम, व्हाट इज प्राइवेट इनकम? We have different types of income: private income, personal disposable income, national disposable income. तो पहला हम उठाएंगे private income. So we know that whole economy is divided into different sectors: private sector, government sector, and rest of the world sector. So जितना भी income, the income earned by the private sector from all sources, from productive source or non-productive source, that is included in the private income. So private income is the income of private sector of an economy, earned by private sector of an economy from any source. It's earned from any source, productive or non-productive. So this is simple definition of private income. Is the income of the private sector of an economy earned from any source, productive or non-productive. So now the question is, which type of incomes are included in the private income? So private income includes factory incomes earned by the private individuals and private households of an economy, and all types of transfer income, transfer payments earned by the private sector, paid to the private sector. So it includes mainly two types of incomes: the private factory income earned by the private individuals during a year, and the transfer payment is paid to the private sector in the form of old age pensions, in the form of grant subsidies, unemployment compensations, etc. So that is non-productive income. So transfer payments are non-productive income. So in private income, we include both productive income as well as non-productive income. According to Central Statistical Organization, CSO, they defined the private income very in simple terms. Private income is the total factor income from all sources. Private income is the total factor income from all sources and current transfers from government and rest of the world received by private sector. So whatever private sector receives in the form of factory incomes and in the form of transfer payments, that is included in, that becomes the private income. So simply we can say it is the income of the private sector of the economy. Now this equation will explain you further more what is private income. Private income is equal to factory income. Factory income is rent, wages, interest, profit. That is factory income from net domestic product of a country received by private sector. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये हमारा जीडीपी है, इसमें कितना पार्ट प्राइवेट सेक्टर ने हासिल किया? सो फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम एनडीपी, सो वी टेक a part of income from NDP, net domestic product, which is earned by the private sector. So private income is equal to factor income from NDP received by private sector plus net factor income from abroad, जितना हमारे फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ने, प्राइवेट फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ने रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड से कमाया है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेंट, वेजेस, इंटरेस्ट, प्रॉफिट, प्लस इंटरेस्ट ऑन नेशनल डेट, जो भी प्राइवेट लोग गवर्नमेंट को उधार देते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ lending and borrowing. The government borrows from the private people, the interest earned by the private sector on national debt, and the transfer payments or current transfers from government, from their own government, and current transfers from rest of the world, जो बाकी ममालिक से वो लेते हैं. So this is the simple meaning of private income. It is the income of the private sector of an economy earned by the private sector from any source, productive source or non-productive source, productive source or non-productive source. So आपने ये लिख लिया? लिख लिया? मैं उठाऊंगा पर्सनल इनकम. So I will take the personal income. What is personal income? नेक्स्ट हमारा है पर्सनल इनकम. personal income. Personal income. Personal income is a part of private income. Generally, personal income is the income actually received by individuals and households from all sources in the form of factory income and transfer payment. So what actually receive? What the private sector actually receive? It is the income actually received. It is the income actually received. So वो भी इनकम है, प्राइवेट इनकम भी इनकम ऑफ द प्राइवेट सेक्टर, वो एक्चुअली वो रिसीव सारा नहीं करते हैं, उसमें से कुछ वो छोड़ देते हैं जो उनका ही इनकम होता है, लेकिन वो एक्टिवली रिसीव नहीं करते, प्रैक्टिकली उनके जेबों में वो नहीं आता है, प्रैक्टिकली इट डजंट कम्स, practically the whole private income doesn't comes in the pocket of the private sector. Some part of that is deducted. When some part of income, some kinds of income, some types of income are deducted from private income, we get personal income. So what is actually received by the private sector? It is the income actually received by the private individuals and households, by the private individuals and households from all sources, whether productive source or non-productive source, from all sources in the form of factory incomes and transfer payments, in the form of factory incomes and transfer payments. So the income actually received by the households, private households and private individuals from any source, which includes in the form of private income, factory income and current transfers. Also, simply we can say when undistributed profits, जिसको हम कहते हैं कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग्स, जिनको हम कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग्स कहते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग्स, when undistributed profits or corporate savings and corporate taxes or deducted from private income or deducted from private income, we get personal income. That is, अगर हम इस तरह लिखेंगे, personal income is equal to equation, in the form of equation, if we are going to explain it, personal income is equal to private income minus undistributed profits and minus corporate taxes. जब ये दो चीजें इसमें से प्राइवेट इनकम से डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे, we get personal income. So personal income is the income actually received by the private households and private individuals. So some part of the profit is, what is this undistributed profit? Some part of profit is distributed among the shareholders of a company, which do not become real income of the private sector. So if there is profit, we divide this profit into two parts. One is distributed profit and another is undistributed profit. वो मैं एक लेक्चर अलग से दे दूंगा, what is distributed profit and what is undistributed profit. जो प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है शेयर होल्डर्स में, वो बनता है, ये प्रॉफिट सारा इंक्लूड होता है प्राइवेट इनकम में, लेकिन जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट है वही बनता है पर्सनल इनकम, अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट इसे बाहर निकलता है। सो पर्सनल इनकम डज नॉट इंक्लूड अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट, जिनको हम कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग्स भी कहते हैं। ये कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर अपने पास ही रखते हैं फॉर फर्दर इन्वेस्टमेंट, and the taxes imposed on undistributed profit, that becomes the corporate taxes. The imposed taxes imposed by the government on undistributed profits or on the corporate savings, that becomes the corporate tax. Simply आप ये याद रखना है कि जब भी अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट या कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग्स और कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स को डिडक्ट किया जाता है प्राइवेट इनकम से, वी गेट पर्सनल इनकम। दैट इज पर्सनल इनकम की इक्वेशन सिंपल है, private income minus undistributed profit minus corporate taxes. So this is the simple definition of what personal income. अब तीसरा है personal disposable income, ये भी एक लाइन में हो जाएगा। ये हो गया। थर्ड इज personal disposable income. Personal disposable income. Personal disposable income. So the private sector receives different incomes. First of all, we discussed the private income. That income cannot be spent, wholly spent by the private sector. उसमें से कुछ इनकम उनको बाहर निकालना है। जब प्राइवेट इनकम से अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट और कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स बाहर निकालते हैं हमें आता है पर्सनल इनकम। पर्सनल इनकम से कुछ चीजें बाहर निकालनी है अभी, तो देन बिकम्स द पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम। इट इज दैट इनकम which the households can use, spend, save as they like. So personal income is that income, personal disposable income. Personal disposable income is that income which is that income which is actually available, which is actually available to private individuals and households for consumption and saving, for consumption and saving. So ये एक्चुअली इनकम होता है अवेलेबल, जो हाउस होल्डर्स अपनी मर्जी से कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, सेव कर सकते हैं। सो इट इज दैट पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनल इनकम, हम ये कह सकते हैं इट इज दैट पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनल इनकम, दैट पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनल इनकम which the households can use, which the households can use, that means consume or save, consume or save, consume or save in any way they like, in any way they like, जिस तरह उनको मर्जी है ये इनकम उनके लिए अवेलेबल है। इट इज आइदर स्पेंड और सेव। तो जो एक्चुअल इनकम उनके जेबों में होता है खर्च करने के लिए या सेव करने के लिए, सो इट इज डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, इट इज अंडर देयर डिस्पोजल। अब ये किस तरह हम हासिल कर सकते हैं? जब पर्सनल, दिस पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनल इनकम, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनल इनकम, वे हम ये कहेंगे व्हेन direct taxes, we can say when direct taxes, that is income tax, when direct taxes जिसको हम डायरेक्ट पर्सनल टैक्स भी कहते हैं। when direct taxes fee and fines or deducted from personal income, we get personal disposable income. So पर्सनल इनकम से भी कुछ चीजें डिडक्ट करनी है, तब एक आदमी के लिए ऐसा इनकम बन जाता है जो वो खर्च कर सकता है या सेव कर सकता है, पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम। अब क्या क्या चीजें हैं ये है डायरेक्ट टैक्स, फी एंड फाइनेंस इम्पोज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट। सो वी कैन से पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम इज इक्वल टू, सिंपल याद रखना, जब डायरेक्ट टैक्स, फी, फाइन डिडक्ट करेंगे हम पर्सनल इनकम से, तो तब हमें बनेगा पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम। पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम बराबर होता है, इट इज इक्वल टू पर्सनल इनकम, इट इज इक्वल टू पर्सनल इनकम माइनस डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस माइनस फी minus fines. So sometimes government impose fines on individuals. Fee have to be paid to the government. So when these types of payments are made from personal income, we get personal disposable income. So whole personal income, personal disposable income is not consumed. Generally, at the national level, whole personal income is not, personal disposable income is not consumed, but some part of it is saved. Some part of it is saved. We can say whole personal disposable income is not consumed, but some part is saved. Some part is saved. That is, if Y is personal disposable income, we can say Y is equal to C plus S, consumption plus saving. So Y is always equal to consumption plus saving. So we can say when direct taxes, fee and fines are deducted from personal income, we get personal disposable income. So this is all about the private income, personal income and personal disposable income. Personal disposable income. इस तरह ये बनता है इसका ये चैन। पहले जो भी इनकम प्राइवेट सेक्टर को मिलता है वो प्राइवेट इनकम बनता है। जब प्राइवेट इनकम से हम कॉर्पोरेट टैक्सेस और कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग्स, अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट्स माइनस करते हैं तो हमें मिलता है पर्सनल इनकम। जब पर्सनल इनकम से डायरेक्ट टैक्स, फी एंड फाइनेंस डिडक्ट की जाती हैं तो बनता है पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम। अगर हम इस तरह लिखेंगे ये, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have private income, the whole income received by the private sector in the form of factory incomes within the country and outside, and transfer payments earned within the country and outside. अगर पहले हम लिखेंगे प्राइवेट इनकम, अगर इससे हम माइनस करेंगे, if we deduct क्या क्या, corporate savings and और क्या डिडक्ट करेंगे, कॉर्पोरेट टैक्सेस, वी गेट पर्सनल इनकम। हम ये बनता है, अगर इस तरह हम लिखेंगे, इस तरह हम चार्ट बनाएंगे, ये एक ही लाइन में आ जाएगा प्राइवेट इनकम। सॉरी, पहले हम उठाएंगे प्राइवेट इनकम से माइनस हम करेंगे कॉर्पोरेट सेविंग्स एंड कॉर्पोरेट टैक्सेस, दो चीजें हम निकालेंगे इससे. We deduct two things, that is corporate saving, that is undistributed profit, and corporate tax we get personal income. We get personal income. अगर हम personal income से, this is first and second is from personal income, ये होता है personal income. अगर personal income से हम निकालेंगे direct taxes, fee and fines, we get personal disposable income. Personal disposable income. So private income में क्या क्या होता है? Private income में होता है factor incomes. Factor incomes from NDP plus factor income from factor income from rest of the world plus transfer payments from government plus transfer payments from rest of the world. From rest of the world. सारे इनकम स्टार्ट होते हैं प्राइवेट इनकम से, उसी से हम डिडक्ट करते हैं, फिर हमें मिलता है पर्सनल इनकम से हम डिडक्ट करते हैं डायरेक्ट टैक्स, फी, फाइनेंस, हमें बनता है पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम. So this is all about private income, personal income and personal disposable income. Thank you very much. कल मैं उठाऊंगा national disposable income, in which we will classify gross national disposable income and net national disposable income. Thank you very much. कोई क्वेश्चन मत है?